Buying Hilton Honors points. Hilton Honors points can be used for free hotel stays, upgrades, and other travel benefits. If you're short on points for a redemption or want to take advantage of a promotional bonus, buying Hilton Honors points can be an option. However, it's important to consider the cost, value, and best ways to maximize your purchase. 1. How to buy Hilton Honors points. Hilton allows members to purchase points directly through their website. To buy, log into your Hilton Honors account. Navigate to the Buy Points section. Choose the number of points you want to buy. Complete the transaction using a credit or debit card. Points are usually credited instantly or within 24 hours. 2. Cost of Hilton Honors points. Hilton Honors points typically cost 1 cent per point, 10 for 1,000 points. There is a minimum purchase of 1,000 points. Members can buy up to 80,000 points per year, sometimes increased during promotions. 3. When does it make sense to buy points? Buying points can be a good deal in the following situations. You need a small number of points. If you're just short of a redemption, buying a few thousand points can be worth it. Hilton offers a bonus promotion. Hilton frequently runs promotions such as 100% bonus on points, reducing the cost per point. High-value redemptions. If a hotel's cash rate is expensive, but the points rate is low, buying points may save you money. Luxury. Hotel stays. Premium Hilton properties often offer good redemption value. 4. When should you avoid buying points? If the cash rate is cheaper than the cost of buying points for the stay. If you don't have an immediate use for the points, they can devalue over time. If you're buying at full price without a promotional bonus. 5th, Hilton honors promotions on purchase points. Hilton frequently offers promotions such as 100% bonus, doubles the points purchased, reducing the cost to 0.5 cents per point. 50% off reduces the cost per point, making redemptions more valuable. Always check if there is an active promotion before purchasing points to maximize value. 6. Best uses for Hilton Honors points. Hilton Honors points can be used for free nights at Hilton hotels, best value at luxury hotels and resorts, upgrades to better rooms and suites, experiences and travel packages, sometimes not the best redemption value, car rentals and partner rewards, usually lower value than hotel stays. 7. Alternatives to buying points. Instead of purchasing points, you can also earn them by staying at Hilton hotels and earning points per dollar spent. Using a Hilton Honors credit card, many offer welcome bonuses and extra points on Hilton purchases. Transferring points from credit card rewards. Some travel credit cards allow transfers to Hilton Honors. Earning bonus points. Through promotions, Hilton frequently offers extra points for stays. 8. Refund policy for purchase points. Hilton does not allow refunds on purchased points. Ensure you have a planned use for the points before buying. 9. Checking your Hilton Honors balance. To view your points balance, log in to your Hilton Honors account. Go to the My Account section. Check your current point balance and transaction history. Buying Hilton Honors points can be a great way to save on luxury hotels when done strategically, especially during bonus promotions. However, it's important to compare the cost of purchasing points versus booking with cash to ensure you're getting the best deal. Always check for active Hilton promotions before buying points.